Have you ever wondered what your skin does while you sleep? Beneath the surface, a silent, intricate dance of regeneration unfolds every night. While you rest, your skin repairs the damage of the day, sun, pollution, and time itself. Tonight, we'll explore how this nightly renewal works and how you can support it for healthier, more radiant skin. The secret isn't a complicated routine, but working with your body's natural rhythms. Get ready to unlock the magic of overnight skin transformation. The potential for renewal is there, waiting for you to simply understand and assist. Imagine waking up to skin that looks refreshed, smooth, and glowing, like you've had a facial overnight. This isn't a fantasy. At night, your skin shifts from defense to repair mode. Blood flow increases, collagen production accelerates, and new cells rise to the surface. The skin's barrier is rebuilt, locking in moisture and preparing for a new day. Understanding this rhythm is key. Don't fight your biology, work with it. Align your evening rituals with this period of peak regeneration to amplify results. The revolution isn't in a jar, it's in timing, understanding, and partnership with your skin. Let's begin by appreciating this natural cycle. Prepping your skin for night is more than a quick wash. Throughout the day, your skin collects oils, sweat, sunscreen, makeup, and pollution. Double cleansing, first with an oil-based cleanser, then a water-based one, removes all traces of the day. This leaves your skin clean, not stripped, and ready to absorb treatments. Gentle exfoliation, 2 or 3 times a week, dissolves dead cells and reveals brighter skin. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Opt for mild chemical exfoliants like AHAs. With a fresh canvas, your skin can fully benefit from what comes next. Prep is the foundation for effective overnight care. Now introduce your skin's overnight allies, powerful ingredients that support renewal. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives, boost cell turnover and collagen, reducing fine lines and restoring firmness. Hyaluronic acid acts as a moisture magnet, plumping skin and smoothing its surface. Peptides signal your skin to build more collagen and elastin, strengthening its structure. Ceramides reinforce the skin barrier, locking in moisture and keeping irritants out. These ingredients work together, empowering your skin's natural repair process. Start slow with potent actives like retinoids to allow your skin to adapt. With the right support, your skin's overnight transformation is unstoppable. The order of application matters. Layer from thinnest to thickest. Start with toner or essence to hydrate and prep the skin. Next, apply serums with actives like retinoids, hyaluronic acid, or peptides. Press gently into the skin. Finish with a moisturizer to seal in all the benefits and protect your skin overnight. This sequence ensures each product penetrates effectively and nothing is wasted. Don't rush. Take a moment to let each layer absorb. The right order turns your routine into a powerful ritual. Wake up to skin that's nourished, protected, and renewed. Great skin isn't just about products, it's a reflection of your overall health. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for skin repair. Growth hormone is released, fueling regeneration. A humidifier can prevent overnight moisture loss, and silk pillowcases reduce friction and creasing. Hydrate from within by drinking water throughout the day. Eat antioxidant-rich foods and healthy fats to support your skin's barrier and resilience. Your nightly routine is amplified by a healthy lifestyle. Support your skin from the inside out for lasting radiance. True glow comes from a holistic approach. We've explored the skin's nightly renewal and how to support it. The path to radiant skin is about gentle cooperation, not harsh intervention. Consistency and respect for your body's rhythms unlock your skin's true potential. Let this be the start of a new relationship with your skin, one built on knowledge and care. For product recommendations, check the link in the description. May your nights be restorative, and may you wake renewed each day. Hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.